to make learning visible in so many different ways. As you can see here, Padlet can be used for a lot of check-ins. It's really great to gather fast information with students, and this tool, if you haven't used it in a while, has evolved so much this year. So let's get started by making a new Padlet. Now here you can see that AI is infused with Padlet, so you can create some really neat things for your students and you can customize your boards. They also have, they call them recipes, but they're templates of different really common ways to gather information quickly. Now I'm going to go to the custom board here and I can type in that I'm a teacher and I'm looking for an exit ticket to the grade. Okay, so let's say I wanted to create an exit ticket after reading The Great Gatsby. Here you'll be able to see what Padlet will create for us, which is just a really great foundation for what's coming next. Now, another really wonderful thing about Padlet is that it can allow you to gather information and share it with students across class periods. And so, share your final thoughts on The Great Gatsby. And so here, if I had multiple class periods, I'm going to go to the gear right here, and I can change the layout. And so I can make it a grid. I can also group by section, which is really nice. And then I can display names. I don't have to. I love turning on the comments so that students can comment on each other. I'm going to hit save here. Reactions, they can star and like things. So again, another really great way to give formative feedback very quickly and to make it visible. It can be anonymous or not. I can turn on moderation, which is just really funny. If a kid tries to type in an inappropriate word, it changes it to something else. And so I can customize my layout, my aesthetic, my look, and I can change that section to make it for a specific period. So again, there's so many ways to collect information. Now, from the student side here, students have so many different options in terms of how they can respond. They can type, they can record a video, which is really great if you loved using Flip or Flipgrid. They can record audio. I've had them make podcasts straight onto Padlet, polls, all different things. So they have different options as to what they can post as well. So again, you're giving students voice and choice. You're making that learning visible, you're curating information, you're encouraging them to share things. So if, for example, they created a Google Doc or a Google slideshow, they can post it here as well. This is really, really neat, is that they can type in and describe an image and it will create and draw an image for them. I've had students play with that as well. And again, it's a really great way to foster conversation, not only a digital conversation, but also a conversation in person. So definitely check out this amazing formative tool and you'll see that there's so many different ways to make that learning visible.